Alright guys, today we have a great day. We are going to go to Drift NWA up in Eureka Springs, and I think it's going to be wonderful. Hopefully these clouds kind of clear up a little bit. Actually, it makes it kind of cool. So anyways, I'm going to hopefully get some good footage, enjoy what I did get, so here we go.